Hello, in this video I'm going to unbox and try out this Idoo Label Printer, and I'm pretty excited because this little thing, I believe it will be really useful to me. Disclosure, this was sent to me by Idoo to make an honest and unbiased review as always. So let me show you how the box looks. So there you go. Look how cute it is. Compact thermal printer for customized label printing. Direct thermal app integration, portable and rechargeable. So, and one of the things I'm gonna use this is to put some labels on my drawers and this stuff because I need help to get organized. I can't do it all by myself. So, effective printer prints up to 60 labels per minute. Oh, pretty fast. Two tape options. One on-the-go design, rechargeable battery, long battery life up to 2.5 hours. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So you'll get the label printer, two label tapes, a holder, and a USB charge cable. So let me open the box to see what we have here. So this is the moment we were all waiting for. So what do we have here? Oh, we have here one charging. Oh, this is a micro USB cable. Okay, and we have here one tape. And nothing left in the box. We have here the user manual. Let me check which languages do we have here. Maybe just English. Probably yes. Oh, so we can use the Idoo hair duster to clean it. I have one. You should have one as well. So there you go. This is the tape. Let me open this. And I believe we can open it here. There you go. One tape, it's already here. I believe it's... Let me see how we can open this. There you go. We just need to press this for a little. And the good thing, I've seen some videos where I saw that it's pretty easy to use this. So you can put it here, and for instance, okay, I need to make this right. So you can use it like this, okay. Then you can put it alongside here and it's ready to work. There you go. So as you can see, you just need to pull the tape and it's good to go. You have also here the instructions. Okay, so it needs to come from this side, not from the top, from the bottom, like this. Okay, so let me open this. Let me put the big one. So I believe that this little hose is to get this out, and there's another one this side. Okay, I believe this is okay. Now, as I said, this should come from the bottom and not from the top. Oops, oops. Someone needs, okay. Oh, let me do this. I believe. Da, 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 da. maybe. I believe the round goes this way. Okay. Let me just check if this is the way. Okay, nice. This is why it's good to make this. This side, as you can see, has these little two things. It seems like a bear. You should put it this side. You can see these two holes, and this goes here. Pluff. Okay, so I need to make some changes here. I need to change this. Okay, like this. Pop. Up. There you go. And now I believe it's okay. It has to groove this side, the right side properly. And now it's good to go. I believe this is the power button. It should be. There you go with this cute green light. And if you think that the fun it's over, not yet. So you have this app to work with. You go in you can type. I was already making some play around. This is the app Joy Print. Just I need to put here in my hand, so this could be okay. I think you can see it. Well, but you just go to the App Store and you will find Joy Print, and here you can find the labels. Okay, so here for instance you can set the printer type. You can also set the size, which is nice. You have some templates. Okay, and I've just been playing this around, so you can do this. It's pretty funny. You have all these options here, so you can move this around. For instance, you can lock it here and then this doesn't move anymore. You can, for instance, you can just let me see. For instance, I'm gonna put this here and I can send it to the bottom. It has lots of features. For instance, here at the bottom you have the chance to change the font. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Just let me see. Just let me see. Okay, I don't know which size. 18. I believe these are the ones that are in the inside. So I think just let me see, because I believe we should pair it here. Okay, you have here at the top this thing. Let's go there. Let me. Okay, you can see. Oops, let me put this a little bit hidden because it's here already listed. Let me press it to connect. Pair. And it's here paired, I believe. So let me go back and okay. Tuck, 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 tuck. Let me see. Tag name, let me go. Okay, so now you have all these options, so you can double click. Okay, This is not the tag. Just I need to edit because this is not the one I want to use. So let me check the size. 157.098 inches. One. No, this is the other one. So just quick size. You have these options, quick sizes. So they have. So you just have to pick the one you have here. 157. 157. I can't see it here. Okay, let me. One height. 857. So you can introduce it manually. And now you can see that the white size increased a lot. So let me put here some text. Hello. Okay. Marketing. Dot live. There you go. So I can spread this a little bit. Okay, have this little arrow at the bottom. I believe, just let me check. Yes, you can zoom in here and zoom out. I believe that I can change the font size, hopefully. Oh, I can put here an icon. Just let me do it, and you have all these options here. Just let me see if I can find a smile or something. Holiday. Holidays. Holiday food. Not food at all, but okay. So let me see if we have here a camera. I'm gonna use this webcam. There you go. Let me enlarge it. Just let me see something here. Up, double tap to edit. Oh, I can see where you can adjust the font size. It's here. Let me put this a little bit. And let me use this font. Okay. There you go. You can see that it's smaller. Okay. Align. Oh, let me see. So when you tap here align, you can put this nicely aligned, and you can mirror it. Oh, cute. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna print. Let me just see if I have another. Okay, you can add pictures to this too. Okay. Let me put here a shape. Okay, I don't see that this is important, but let me print it. Confirm. Okay, something it's happening here. Okay, maybe I need to do this. Always learning. So maybe I need to pass this. I need to pull this a little bit out. Let me try again. Aha! Ha 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 ha! So there you go. So this was the, and now I can take it off, and there you go. Okay, I believe that I need to make some adjustments, but for the first try, I believe that this is a nice one. So this was the unboxing and first tryout of this Idoo Label Printer, which I'm really liking. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.